How to find photo upload quality settings on WhatsApp. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find photo upload quality settings on WhatsApp. First thing, go to WhatsApp and here you will find these 3 points in the top corner. Click on it and click settings, and here you will find notifications. Click on it and then just not notifications, storage and data, and scroll down. Here you will find photo upload quality. Just click on it and here you can change it. You can make it for best quality or for data saver, and then just click OK. It will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.